Hello there, Facebook and YouTube peoples. Phew, I'm finally done, I think, with this 1986 Oldsmobile Delta 88 with the pretty bad single stage paint job on it. Y'all know most of the process. Strip washed it, deconned it, clay barred it, wet sanded it, compounded it twice, polished it, some places several times, stripped all the glass, polished all the glass down, did the tires and wheels, put the ceramic coating on there, the DPC shield, and then this little while ago topped it off with a good coat of DPC armor, which is basically an SiO2 coating to go over the ceramic coating to give it some more longevity and provide a sacrificial layer over the top of that ceramic coating. This thing turned out looking pretty spiffy. Also this morning I finished up the tires and wheels, polished them up, and did put protectant on the tires. Did this trim as best I could. It was in pretty bad shape. Hey Gloria, man, how you doing? Where are you listening from there, sweetie? But I was pretty happy with the way that trim turned out. Y'all may remember it was white instead of black. I had to tape it all off because of this little metal trim that was on the side and top and bottom of it. So I had to run the body tape up and down through there, the 3M body tape, to keep from getting the solution finish on that. But got all that done. That took a while. Mostly the taping took longer than anything. But I think you can see, man, this thing's got quite a shine on it right now. Quite a shine. Polished all that trim around the windows, all that kind of stuff. Hey Mark, how you doing there, bud? I expect your truck to be looking like this for too long. Yeah, I think it came out nice, Mark. I did the trim, everything, buddy. You know the drill. You've been here with me before. The windows have been put a good sealant on those this morning, the glass and all that. So, hey Russell. We got a Noonan High School reunion going here. Me and you and Mark Smith. Oh man, we had a couple more. We could have us a party, couldn't we? But I just wanted to catch y'all up and show you this thing's all finished. I'm about to go in and do the paperwork up on it. Get in touch with the customer and get it back to him. I'm so happy with that hood because it was really hammered, Mark, really hammered. Hey, Miss Gloria. I'm all done, Miss Gloria. This journey has come to an end. Put the finishing touches on it this morning. Had to wait for that ceramic coating to cure. It had cured good enough. It's supposed to cure 24 hours before you let it get wet, but it was cured good enough. I put the Si2 top coat on it this morning just to give it some more longevity. Finished up the tires and wheels, restored the trim. Remember, it was almost white. Used solution finish on that. I think I gave you some of that, didn't I, Mark? I'm not sure. I had a little bitty bottle. That's good stuff, good stuff. Went all the way around. What took so long to do that is I had to, that little piece right there on top of that black vinyl is a little piece of chrome or metal. So I had to tape all that off with a little thin 3M body tape before I could actually go through with the solution finish. You know, there's a few spots like down below on the bottom of the bumpers. It's kind of rusty. Hey, Jimmy Cordell, how you doing, brother? So I couldn't do much with that. Once chrome gets pitted, you're dead in the water. There's a lot of stuff on some of those hubcaps there I couldn't get off just because it's etched into the metal. And those aren't high quality anyway. It's basically a soft aluminum that had a slight chrome plating over it. Polished up the headlight receptacles, whatever you call those, the headlights a little bit. The SI2 coating on everything, folks, everything. So I'm real happy with the way it turned out, and I appreciate y'all joining me. Check me out, Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you. Bye.